Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem-solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on moment of inertia of a non-uniform circular disk taken from JEE Main exam. The question is as follows. Mass per unit area of a circular disk of radius A depends on its distance r from its center as sigma r is equal to A plus BR. The moment of inertia of the disk about the axis perpendicular to the plane and passing through its center is. The options are 2 pi a to the power 4 into AA by 4 plus B by 5, 2 pi a to the power 4 into A by 4 plus AB by 5, pi a to the power 4 into A by 4 plus AB by 5, and 2 pi a to the power 4 into A by 4 plus B by 5. Now for the answer. The given disk is shown in the figure. Its mass distribution is non-uniform. Hence, its moment of inertia has to be obtained by integration. Now, mass per unit area of the disk depends on its distance from the center as sigma r is equal to A plus BR. Consider an element of the disk as shown in the figure. Let its radius is equal to r and radial thickness is equal to dr. Therefore, area of the element is given by dA is equal to 2 pi r into dr. Using equations 1 and 2, we get mass of the element dm is equal to sigma r into dA, which is equal to sigma r into 2 pi r dr, which is equal to A plus BR into 2 pi r dr. Therefore, dm is equal to 2 pi into AR plus BR square into dr. Therefore, moment of inertia of the element about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane is given by di is equal to dm into r square, which is equal to 2 pi into AR cubed plus BR to the power 4 into dr. Therefore, the required moment of inertia of the disk is given by I is equal to 2 pi integral from 0 to AR cube plus BR to the power 4 into dr. Performing the integration, we get I is equal to 2 pi into AR to the power 4 by 4 plus BR to the power 5 by 5 between limits 0 to A. Putting the limits and simplifying, we get I is equal to 2 pi a to the power 4 into a by 4 plus ab by 5. which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.